So this is day 4 or 5, I don't know which day is it, but we are on the same trek, but we won't be stopping at the Sweet Lake. We will go straight to Querim, and it's a lot hotter today, but we are glad the sun is up because we were not really sure about the weather conditions in June, because the last time we were here in June it was raining all 4 or 5 days. So it's a blessing in disguise, and we might stop at the creek we found yesterday, so I'll try to shoot some of the footage there, but mostly it will be of Querim. And this is the same beach as yesterday. I think it starts with K, but I don't really remember the name. So yeah, I'm a lot sweaty today, and Laksh is always sweaty. But yeah, I'll see you at Querim or on the trek to Querim.
So guys, so Anurag is in the water right now and I'm recording him. You got to see him. He is the only one alone in the whole lake, enjoying all the peace to himself. He is not alone anymore. There are 2 more people coming.
So it suddenly started raining and I'm inside the umbrella with Souvenir.
Such a romantic moment
For both of us. And they have their own umbrella. And we are listening to John Mayer because everyone should listen to John Mayer always.
हेट क्राइम हो रहा है यहाँ पे।
ध्यान से देखिए इस आदमी को जो नदी में नंगा घूम रहा है।
यहाँ नीचे
आपका संवाददाता सुमित सिंह मेहरा, सुमित सिंह बहुत ही ऑकवर्ड जंप, बहुत ही ऑकवर्ड जंप, बहुत ही ऑकवर्ड जंप।
अभी ऊपर आ।
So everyone is going crazy right here, and now they have stopped because I have started vlogging. And
Can you do
yeah.
this?